BK969C adapts to BK115-10 handle. The heating core can be installed by using the holes in the soldering frame. The sleeve wire needs to be linked to the soldering rack and the back of the main engine. The hibernation function can be used only after the hibernation line is linked. Heat up quickly after turning on. 1 sets the startup temperature. 2 temperature compensation, -3 degrees Celsius Fahrenheit conversion. For password protection settings. 5 set hibernation to 0-99 seconds. Put on the soldering iron to automatically sleep according to the set time. Pick up auto sleep. After setting the password, you need to enter that password to change the settings. Quick tin, good helper for work.